Second phase poll in Manipur Outer Parliamentary Constituency was held across 13 assembly segments in 8 hill districts. Till 3 p.m., the voting percentage recorded as 68.48%. The assembly segments where polling was held included 40 Jiribam, 42 Technopal, 43 Fungyar Assembly Constituency in Kamjong District, 44 Ukhrul Assembly Constituency in Ukhrul District, 45 Chingai, 47 Garong Assembly Constituency in Senapati District, 48 Mao and 49 Tadubi, 52 Tamai, 53 Tamenglong in Tamenglong District, 55 Tipaimok in Ferzol District, 56 Thalon and 54 Nungba in Noni District. There are 848 polling stations with 4,84,949 voters. In Ukhrul Assembly Constituency, there are 46,199 voters and 71 polling stations and 47,670 voters in Chingai Assembly Constituency with 70 polling stations. In Jiribam Assembly Constituency, there are 30,809 voters and 40 polling stations. In Technopal Assembly Constituency, there are a total of 42,778 voters and 74 polling stations. In Fungyar Assembly Constituency, there are 34,930 voters and 78 polling stations. In Garong Assembly Constituency of Senapati District, there are 47,850 voters and 76 polling stations. In Mao Assembly Constituency has 48,719 voters and 71 polling stations, and Tadubi Assembly Constituency has 46,274 voters and 81 polling stations. Tamenglong's Tamai Assembly Constituency has 41,088 voters and 93 polling stations, while Tamenglong Assembly Constituency has 34,330 voters and 64 polling stations. Nungba Assembly Constituency has 29,445 voters and 52 polling stations. In Tipaimuk Assembly Constituency has 17,970 voters, and Thalon Assembly Constituency has 17,063 voters and 41 polling stations, making the constituencies with the lowest number of voters. Altogether, special polling stations were set up, including 4 in Ukhrul, 3 in Technopal and 1 in Jiribam. 87 companies of CAPF and over 4,000 state forces are deployed to prevent any untoward incidents.